everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. So today I come to you all the way from Patagonia. So today I'm going to talk to you about what a variance report is and why you want that in your investor update. So a variance report shows the property's performance, what it was for that month and what it was during the underwriting. And you can see it side by side so that you can just review if the sponsor was accurate with their underwriting. But the thing is that if there is a difference, it's not that big of a deal because so many things can change year to year, like insurance, how much expenses are, because we all know that there's supply chain issues right now, and just various different items. But you do want to make sure that the operator does have a variance report though, because it gives you like just a pulse on what the finances are. Overall, it just shows the property's performance, and as a limited partner, you do get to know how the property is performing financially. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get notification. Until next time, explore more, adventure waits. Woo!